Hey folks, welcome back to another exciting update. If you're a PiCoin holder, buckle up because today's update is going to blow your mind. We have some incredible news to share that you won't want to miss. I'm talking about the latest news straight from the PiNetwork, and I need you to listen closely. This is something that could change the game for all of us. There are some serious lies floating around and I don't want you to fall for them. It's crucial to separate fact from fiction in the world of cryptocurrency. So let's get right into it. PiNetwork has just rolled out a major update, and guys, it's a game changer. This update brings a host of new features and improvements that will enhance your experience. Have you noticed people claiming that PiCoin is just a scam? These rumors are designed to create doubt and fear. Well, it's time to set the record straight. Let's dive into the facts and dispel these myths once and for all. There's a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt being spread, and it's all designed to shake out weak hands. But we're here to give you the real scoop. But here's the truth. PiNetwork is stronger than ever. The community is growing and the technology is advancing at a rapid pace. The developers have been working tirelessly to improve the network's security and scalability. These improvements are crucial for the future success of PiCoin. And guess what? We're now closer than ever to mainnet launch. This is a monumental step forward for the PiNetwork. That's right, PiCoin is gearing up to go live, and the implications are huge. This could be the moment we've all been waiting for. Now I know some of you might be skeptical. It's natural to have doubts, especially with so much misinformation out there. You've probably heard rumors that PiCoin will never have real value, or that it's just another crypto bubble waiting to burst. These are common concerns, but let's look at the bigger picture. But let me tell you, those rumors are just noise. The real value lies in the technology and the community behind PiNetwork. The team behind PiNetwork is committed to creating a truly decentralized and scalable blockchain. This is not just another fly-by-night project, and they've got the roadmap to prove it. Each milestone brings us closer to a fully functional and valuable cryptocurrency. So, what should you do as a PiCoin holder? First, don't panic. Stay calm and stay informed. Hold on to your coins and stay informed. Knowledge is power, and staying updated will help you make the best decisions. Keep an eye on official updates from the PiNetwork team and avoid the misinformation spreading like wildfire. Trust the sources that have proven to be reliable. And remember, the crypto market is volatile. Ups and downs are part of the journey. It's a roller coaster ride, but those who hold on tight are the ones who come out on top. But those who stay the course are the ones who reap the rewards. Patience and perseverance are key in the world of cryptocurrency. And speaking of rewards, let's talk about the potential here. The future looks incredibly promising for PiCoin. PiNetwork's vision is to create a new digital economy that's accessible to everyone. This is about more than just a coin. It's about creating a new financial ecosystem. Imagine a world where PiCoin is used for everyday transactions, where you can buy goods and services just like you would with any other currency. This is the future we're building. That's the dream we're working towards, a world where financial freedom is accessible to all. So, if you're a PiCoin holder, stay strong and stay informed. Your belief in this project is what will drive it forward. Don't let the naysayers get to you. Focus on the facts and the progress being made. The future is bright, and we're on a rocket ship to the moon. The sky's the limit for PiCoin. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more updates. Your support means the world to us. Till next time, keep mining and stay safe. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination.